Java is quick, efficient, and safe. Developers use Java to create applications on laptops, data centers, game consoles, and other devices. The Java Enterprise Framework, or Java EE, is a powerful tool for building large-scale, multi-tiered, and scalable network applications. It offers a runtime environment and an API that supports the development and deployment of enterprise-level applications. There are 4 types of Java programming language platforms: Java SE, Java EE, Java ME, and Java FX. Each platform includes a Java Virtual Machine, VM, and an Application Programming Interface, API. The VM runs Java applications on specific hardware platforms, while the API is a set of software components used to create other software components and applications. This ensures platform independence, power, stability, ease of development, and security. Java SE, or Standard Edition, is the core functionality of the Java programming language. It includes everything from basic objects and types to high-level classes for security, networking, database access, graphical user interface, GUI development, and XML parsing. Java SE provides the core API, development tools, deployment technologies, and other class libraries and toolkits commonly used in Java applications. Java EE, or Enterprise Edition, builds on Java SE and offers an API and runtime environment for developing and running large-scale, multi-tiered, and scalable network applications. According to BuiltWith, there are currently 731,355 active websites utilizing Java EE, with 3,824,906 sites having used it in the past. Java EE is essential for enterprise-level applications due to its robust and scalable nature. Java ME, or Micro Edition, provides an API and small-footprint virtual machines for running Java on small devices like smartphones. This API is a subset of the Java SE API and includes special class libraries useful for developing applications for small devices. Java ME applications often act as clients for Java EE platform services, making it a versatile tool for mobile development. Java FX technology allows the creation of rich internet applications using Java FX script, a statically typed declarative language that compiles to Java bytecode and runs on a Java VM. Java FX platforms can create applications that link to Java programming language classes, and may also act as clients for Java EE platform services, enhancing the development of interactive and visually appealing applications. Java is the 3rd most used programming language globally, attributed to its versatility, user-friendliness, and strong community support. Java is widely used for web and Android app development, supported by powerful development tools like Eclipse, IntelliJ IDEA, and NetBeans IDE. Its English-like grammar makes it beginner-friendly, and its extensive and well-documented API offers numerous methods for various coding needs. Despite their similar names, Java and JavaScript are distinct languages. Java is primarily used for server-side programming, while JavaScript focuses on client-side scripts. Java's platform independence and scalability make it a widely used technology, whereas JavaScript is essential for creating dynamic web content. Developing Java applications involves modifying an example application to suit specific needs, compiling, packaging, and deploying the application, and then testing it. Testing includes logging into the server, displaying the application in the context menu, verifying functionality, and enabling service tracing options if necessary. This structured process ensures robust and reliable Java applications. Several Java frameworks enhance development efficiency and capabilities. The Spring framework integrates advanced features for data processing, messaging, and security. Hibernate,